Hey, Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage. We had a great day. Larry and I toured Lorain County looking for different things, and we ended up out at Dave Malika's Field of Dreams. And as you can see, we're working on the 70 Chevelle rear bumper. So let me go over a few details on here. I've got you can see I've got it supported on right back here. So I've got the bumper brackets all installed here. Okay. We've got the correct bumper bolts in there. I believe Patrick Glenn Nichols said they were 1 inch in diameter, and I know I have 1 inch diameter ones in there. And we got the wiring kind of all wrapped through here. Okay, this is going to go to the sending unit for the fuel. This little unit is going to get plugged into the lamp, okay? And then, of course, it comes through the trunk here, okay? Got a little rubber stopper there, and this will wrap around and get connected, okay? And then we got the connector coming through on this side, another little rubber stopper that goes over to the light over there, okay? So the thing I went out to Dave Malika's for is I couldn't find the rubber stops that go in here. You know, I gotta laugh. I mean, Rick Nelson always talks about, you know, the details in putting these cars together. And I bet you a lot of people forget this little rubber bumper that slides into here on each side and kind of protects the bumper from the body. So we'll get those slid into place. Uncle Larry might stop by and help me get this up in position, but I probably can do it by myself. I'll start with the bolts that go in here. Okay, they go through here, and they have a little point on them. Okay, I think there's a long and a short one. I got to dig up the short ones because I got 2 long ones. They might work too. I don't know. And then, of course, underneath the car, we got another bracket that's gonna get bolted up underneath. You can't quite see that maybe right now, but we'll get that in place too. All right, and then we'll get the tail lamp in place. All right, let's keep going. I'm running out of words. It's been a long morning. All right, Uncle Larry was helping me, and we got this bumper pretty well situated. I think it looks pretty good. Like, the tail lamps are just sitting in there. We still got the rear valance that we're waiting for. Oh, painters. Never can get nothing out of them. But anyway, we're happy. We got the thing aligned. It's our first time we ever aligned a 70 bumper. And it went pretty smooth. We figured out what you got to do to move things up and down. But all right, see ya. Well, we had quite a storm last night, and I just got over to Mike's to work on the Chevelle, and boy, this tree is just losing limbs. I can't even get it in the driveway right now. But anyway, we're here to work on the Chevelle today. Give you a little bit of an update. I've got the fenders all kind of roughed in with the logos and stuff. I've got the front bumper built out and ready to go. And then over on the car itself, we've been working on these plastic inner fender wells, cleaning them up. Uncle Larry and I have been having a oh my gosh, we had to do some repair work on them and plastic welding, so that's a whole new thing I learned how to do. And over here on the Chevelle, you'll notice the lift is kind of in a weird position. We had a cable break on the lift, so not only are the tree limbs falling down over here, but we had one of the cable on the lift break, and I just got a new cable, so that's the first order of business today. But the rear bumper mounted. I'm waiting for the gaskets for the tail lights, so those aren't completely screwed in. But you know, it's looking pretty good. Got the little bumpers in here. I'm still waiting from the painter. I'm still waiting for the filler panel there, so I can get my exhaust all, tweaked in to make sure that's setting right. And then always missing parts. So, on the front end here, I went to install these and I couldn't find the screws or the plastic pieces that fit in here so that you can screw those in. So we'll keep looking for those. Maybe they'll pop up. But anyway, that's a little bit of an update. Coming or swinging around on the front end. Oh, I don't know if you guys knew this. I had a problem with the radio. I got that fixed. We had a connector that was actually wired backwards from M&H, but I can't test out the radio real well because we got a steel roof in here, and AM radio just doesn't come through steel roofs at all. And I don't know, kind of rolling around here to the engine. Really haven't had to do anything on that, but I have added a few pieces to the front end here. Got this ready to go. I'm waiting for the painter to paint the extension that goes out here that holds the rest of the front end. But slow but sure, we're getting this car ready to roll. At least it starts, runs, and drives. All right, some details that keep falling through the cracks. Working on the 70 Chevelle. There it is over there. See it? Okay, here's all the seatbelts from it. We're gonna send it out to a guy that Denver is friends with. I can't remember his name, but he's in Ohio. And we're gonna send the whole set out to him for restoration. So these are the actual seatbelts that came out of the car. And as you can see, they are so-so looking. Got a little rust here and there and whatnot. And then I got a set of AO wheels in there. I got to take those to the sandblaster and get those taken care of. All right, so that's next week's project.